Hi, I'm Dr. Kulari Lukuke-Dona. I work at Swinburne University of Technology here at Melbourne. I'm the director of a STEM Innovation Centre, which is this one. It is a beautiful building with lots of technology, robots, 3D printers, and laser cutters, many other things which related to STEM. The programs that we deliver is for secondary school students, and they come to this beautiful place to be inspired to take up STEM education. This is a very exciting time at Navaloka College of Higher Studies as well. I'm excited to invite you all to be part of this IoT competition. I'm looking forward to seeing your projects in the near future. Thank you.